Hey guys, what's up? It's Brianna, and just look around me. I live in a pigsty. So today I decided I'm going to clean my room. Finally, I'm gonna try to deep clean as much as possible, but I can't really promise that. This is going to not go well. I'll just show. Let's just do an overview and get this over with. I don't think I'm ready to tackle this. I really don't want to do this, but it's been a long time coming, and my best friend is going to be coming up in like 2 weeks. Okay, it's 3 weeks, so it's definitely going to get messy by then. So why am I doing this now? I don't know. So the first thing that I'm gonna tackle is my laundry, because I just did all my laundry finally after a very long time. I have like huge piles. That's like my lights, and then my darks are just on the floor in a huge pile. This is what I'm dealing with. Okay, so I decided to change because I wanted to be a lot more comfortable while I'm doing this. This is my huge pile, and I'm just going to basically fold everything and put it into piles based on different categories. Watch me do that. Now that I have all of these piles, I'm going to now put them away. You can call me lazy or you can call me a genius, because I'm about to put them all like in this bin. I need a bunch of clothes for school, obviously. Like, I'm packing away things for school, but like, what's the point of living out of my drawers when I'm literally just gonna have to go through all my drawers again and find all the clothes that I've been wearing and bring them to school? So logically, I have them in this bin, or I keep them on the floor. I literally haven't even finished putting away my clothes, and I already want to give up. So why did I decide to do this? Like, literally why? Oh my god. I also don't have a very long attention span, so like doing one thing for a long time is hard for me to do. Like, I'm about to start moving this, so that's what I'm gonna do next. I have these little pad things. They help you move furniture easier, and I move my entire bed with these. So if I can do that, then I can do this bookcase. So wish me luck. I don't think I can do this by myself. Oh my god, I just tilted this whole entire thing. But I got one under. Just 3 more to go. Oh my god, that was literally like, I feared for my life. Putting all of these little things under there. This bookshelf is very wobbly. I genuinely didn't think I was going to survive. You know that video of those kids, and I'm pretty sure a bookshelf falls on top of him? I was afraid that was gonna be me. I'm dying. Now that it's been hours later, yes, hours later, it's 7:56 now. I absolutely procrastinated cleaning my room. Yeah, I need like a long break after I moved what? That library, that shelf. Oh my god, what's the word? Bookcase. Oh! I wish I was kidding. Okay, well, I still have some clothes on the floor, and I'm just gonna move them over and pretend like I didn't see them. Do I really have to do this? Why did I agree to do this? I didn't want to do this. And I was like, you know, I'm gonna do this. I've changed once again. The lighting is even worse. It's terrible, because this is the only light I have. Wait. That did absolutely nothing. I have these bins like literally in the center of the room. So instead of being in the center of the room, I'm gonna push them to the side of the room. There's not much I can do about these things. I just have to wait until I move in. Oh god, this bin has like a ton of shoes in here. So much shoes. But I'm just putting that over here too. I have this tripod that's actually extremely terrible. Never buy it. This case thing which I can put underneath what I'm using. There's like a, what is it called? Like a muffin? Yeah, I can't think of the word. I have a bunch of clothes that I'm packing away. What the heck, another one? Okay, a pillow pet. You were not cool if you didn't have a pillow pet at the sleepover. Oh God. Just meaningful texts from your friends. Oh my God, there's socks up here. What the heck? Can you even see what's happening? Like, I don't even know if this is in focus because my camera doesn't have autofocus. Now onto a different part of the room. I don't know how to tackle this. I have no idea what I'm doing. Also, the camera is so far away, so if you can't hear what I'm saying, then it's just a problem that's not mine. Actually, I could maybe zoom it. I can do that. Yeah, no. I can put this somewhere else. Maybe not. This desk. I just need to organize it. I don't want to do this. I don't want to do this. Also, this needs to be pushed back more, but I don't know how to do that without breaking the entire desk. No. Oh my God. I can just see something bad happening already. To be honest, I just moved like everything that was here into a new location. Cleaning. I don't know what to do. There's still a lot of clutter, but it's the best I can do. I don't know where to put these things if I don't put them there. I'm sorry, but that's as clean as it's gonna get, ladies and gents. I'm already so done. I've already said that like 12 times that I'm done, but it's the truth. There's just so much because I'm a dirtball. At least you can see my floor more. Still need to tackle that, but just looking really empty now. You know, I can't be bothered. I tackled this area. Do I even want to show what's below down there? I don't think so. That's just really embarrassing at that point. I'm sweating so much. I'm sorry if you hear the fan. I'm so bad at organizing. I don't claim to be a professional organizer. I can't even show what's right there. We'll just stand like this. God. Okay, so it's a new day because obviously I can't do anything in one day because it just stresses me out. So I think I'm gonna tackle, like, can you even see? I'm gonna tackle what's on the floor all over here. I don't know if I'm in focus once again. These are literally the greatest invention. They're makeup remover wipes, but you just like throw them in the wash and then you wash off the makeup when they get all like super dirty. And they're reusable. They're so awesome. Okay, so that's as good as right here is gonna get, except I need to do right there. Okay, this right here is just the ultimate disaster. Yeah, there's just a lot of junk right here. And I'm gonna go through it and try to get rid of stuff that I don't use, don't need, throw away trash. I have so many Bath & Body Works things, except I'm allergic to their lotions, and this one just exploded everywhere. I'm going to pretend like I didn't see that. I just ran out of memory, so I had to upload my videos to my computer. But I'm going through my stuff and I found this cool choker, you know? So, you know, let me know. I should start a new trend and I'll start wearing this again. I just like wiped this all down and now I just have to go through this junk. This doesn't work anymore. This is also just ancient. Oh my god, it is ancient. I don't need that anymore. Toy Story Uno. Oh, this is so cute. I want to bring that to school. Oh my god, this used to be entirely full. I think it's spilled out everywhere. Oh my god. I'm going to scream. I'm going to scream. My excuse for everything is literally just that I don't live here and I'm not going to be living here for that much longer. So everything is a mess. It's like an organized mess. That's how I would describe it. I could be doing more deep cleaning and throwing away a lot more, but that just takes a lot of work that I don't want to do. Now it's time to tackle the worst part of this entire room, which is, actually I'm probably going to censor that out because I don't want anybody to see it. It's actually getting, it looks pretty nice. I mean, compared to what it was before, it was so bad, so I'm happy. I can actually see my floor. I'll make an excuse for all of this. Clothes I actually need to put away. Stuffed animals that I don't need. I need to donate eventually, like these and stuff. Pile of clothes that I'm packing, not that, but I need to pack that for school. Packing for Boston. These are coming to school with me. I'm probably gonna bring them downstairs once I clean through them. Basically, I'm done my room, kind of. Well, it's clean to my standards, my liking, so I'm just gonna make my bed now. I just realized I did this wrong. Yay! So this is all clean to me, at least. I don't know about you, but compared to before, it looks good. So come at me or whatever. Now I'm just going to vacuum my room and finish it all off. So I finally completed my room, at least to my standards. Like I said, it's definitely not perfect or clean compared to anybody else, but for me, I think I did a really good job. That's basically my cleaning process that I just finished. If you enjoyed this, then please give this video a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe and don't forget to check out my other videos. Bye!